Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Forza Horizon 6 and you keep getting this load failed error with the error code A019, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Forza Horizon 6 easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to right here Xbox and you're going to open up the Xbox app. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Steam or not. Click onto your profile, click onto support then, click onto gaming services repair tool, click start repairing. Once you click onto that, it's gonna look for your issue, and once it finds your issue, it's gonna fix your issue. After that, click close on here and then close the Xbox app. You're gonna restart your computer now, and once you're done with the computer restart, you're gonna open up your Explorer. You're gonna go to your C drive, you're gonna go into Xbox games here, game save, PGS, and then you're gonna have a folder with a weird name like this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna rename this folder, and then you're gonna put anything in here like old for example, and then you're gonna move this folder from here into any other location, here for example. And once you're done with that, you're gonna open up the Xbox app now, and after that you're going to minimize the app, and then you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam, and then you're going to go ahead and try to play Forza Horizon 6, and you'll see that your game will now work. You'll not face that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.